Hello everyone, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are going to be making a pineapple habanero mojito. Let's get this show on the road. The first thing we are going to do is karate chop this beautiful pineapple. And through the magic of television, here we have some pineapple chunks, which you're going to throw a few of into your shaker. Add in some fresh mint leaves, and next we're gonna muddle those ingredients together. After that, you're gonna add 2 vigorous pumps of our Amoretti pineapple craft puree and just a 1/4 ounce of our habanero because this stuff is strong. After that, we're gonna pour 1 bar spoon of Amoretti's agave blue nectar. Throw in 1½ fluid ounces of clear rum and just 1/2 fluid ounce of fresh lime juice. Pour in some ice, put the lid on, and give that bad boy a shake. Next, you can pour all the contents into your favorite mojito glass and top it off with some club soda. Next, garnish this beauty with a piece of lime wedged between a pineapple chunk and a habanero. And there you have the perfect pineapple habanero mojito. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.